Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Transport Minister Robert Montague is on the defensive as a new local taxi company is being compared to global ride-sharing company Uber. The new company, called 876 On The Go, operates taxi services within the corporate area and has a similar business model to Uber. But Minister Montague is adamant that it doesn't. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Jamaica now has a taxi company which will give Uber a run for its money. It's called 876 On The Go. The local company uses technology which enables the public to book cabs and facilitate payments electronically. Passengers will receive the vehicle's license plate number and a photo ID of the driver, and the entire ride will be tracked using real-time GPS. It's been touted as a Jamaican version of global ride-sharing company Uber, but Transport Minister Robert Montague disagrees.
I hear people saying that it is an Uber type. No, it is 876 On The Go. It is no type of nothing. It is 876 On The Go. This is a Jamaican thing, born in Jamaica, and it is for Jamaicans.
He argues that the new taxi company is positioned as strong competition for Uber, which plans to launch in Jamaica soon.
I have a meeting, for example, to be done with Uber. They want to come to Jamaica. But they are going to come to Jamaica, if they so choose, by abiding to our rules and regulations in Jamaica. And also, when they come, they're going to buck up on an Olivia Lindsay with a homegrown product that is so set to compete with anybody. Uber, Lyft, anybody who want to come, them can come, because they're going to run up in Olivia Lindsay.
And 876 On The Go isn't alone. Minister Montague says there are other proposals which indicate that taxi companies are enhancing their operations and services.
Before us at Transport Authority, there are other persons who are at various stages of rolling out similar services, and we want to encourage it. And at the end of the day, let the best service stand. Because the public of Jamaica demands better service. And it is full time the public get the service that they deserve.
For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
Jamaica National has launched a new service which allows Jamaicans all over the world to transfer funds with ease. The service is called JN Money Online and is expected to boost remittance services in Jamaica.
So what we're introducing here today is to offer that convenience to the customers that on the go you can send the money at any time. So we're trying to create a digital loop where customers are able to remit. Immediately it lands on a card or in an account and persons can use it. So we don't have the sad stories of persons coming out of a remittance location and being robbed.
We go down to currency trading as the US dollar ended the day selling for $136.98. The Canadian dollar is going for $105.82. The pound will sell for $179.03, while the euro closed the day at $161.37 on average. Now, oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in October went down by $1.78 to settle at $68.59 a barrel. The JSE index gained 5,430 points today, while the junior index gained 8 points. Among the winners, Access Financial Services, Berita Investments, Caribbean Cement, Elite Diagnostics, Fosrich, Honeybun, and Indies Pharma. On the losing side, AMG Packaging and Paper, Cargo Handlers, Derrimont Trading, Everything Fresh, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, and Kingston Properties. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.